Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video I want to show you how to put a newborn baby in a sling. There's five important things that I want to mention, so make sure to watch the entire video. First of all, watch my other video for a rep, how to actually set it up, how to put it on. Now once you have it ready, you put it on, decide which side you want to hold the baby. This way you put it on one arm. If you want to hold it the other way, you put the other arm and the head. Okay, watch the other video. I'm using Maya Rep because I absolutely love it. This is my third baby, and I like the petting. It's durable. I like the quality. I just love it. Now I'm gonna put a baby in. She is 2.5 weeks old, so she's a newborn baby, I'd like to think. Okay, I'm gonna hold her up higher, like right here, so she's resting on my shoulder. Okay, and I am going to put her right here just because I am right-handed, so it's gonna be more comfortable for me to use my right hand. I'm gonna make sure that her legs are out. Some people like to fold the legs underneath for newborns because they like to cross them in front. I would like to keep them out so I can see them. All right, so her tush will be like halfway through, and now while I'm still holding her, I'm trying to adjust. So she's still a little bit higher than I would like to hold, but now I can pull through the ring. And make sure to pull like all the sections, not only in one part. You'll feel it. You'll get a feeling because you're gonna, as you pull, you're gonna feel it tightening. Okay, now I feel like this part on top is kind of loose. Let me see your legs. But the bottom one is a little too tight. So you can use your feel, you can adjust, make sure the baby's comfortable. Now I'm gonna lower her. So I dropped her a little bit. I can adjust this part here. So, okay, so now she's in. Her hands are nice and comfortable. I feel like this part is a little loose, but I can tighten it. Not too much though. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze her so she's nice and comfortable. Now what a nice thing about a sling is I can use it for a head support, right? So what I like to do, I like to adjust it. It may take you a while just to get a feel of it, but now I feel like she is sitting nice and comfortable. Comfortably. Remember I told you 5 things that you should keep in mind when you hold the baby. First of all, always hold the baby. Don't rely on it that the baby's just gonna sit there. Even though you may feel like the baby's comfortable, I wouldn't trust it. Second thing I want to mention, some people like to put the baby inside, all the way in. If this is you, if you feel safe, go with your guts. But I personally would not put the baby all the way in, especially the face, because I want to make sure that my baby is breathing. So I personally do not recommend putting in and just like forgetting about a baby. Okay, now 2 more things. Always hold the baby, and always hold the baby's head specifically, because at this age she's only 2 weeks, she doesn't have a head control. You can also breastfeed in it, ladies. 4th thing, guys, is don't squeeze the baby too much. You may feel this urge that the baby is gonna be more secured when it's tighter, which is true, but also the baby needs some room to breathe, and you don't really want to squeeze the baby too tight to deprive the baby of oxygen. So always have it loose. On the other hand, you don't want to have it like too loose because the baby may fall. So you have to find this common ground. That's why I really want you to always hold the baby. Don't give away full control to the sling. Don't trust it too much. And the last thing is probably the timing. These are small babies. Don't put them in a sling and walk around for hours. I'm using it as a necessity when I have to get something done around the house, so I can have her close to me and I can use my right hand just to do something. So I would say like maybe 15 minutes, or if you want to go for a walk, you can have a baby for a little bit. But